In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract a substring in Google Sheets. Whether it's pulling out specific data from a larger string or just needing to reorganize information, understanding how to work with substrings can be incredibly helpful. So let's dive right in and break down the process step by step. First, open a new or existing Google Sheet. Once you have your spreadsheet ready, it's time to start inputting the relevant formulas. Let's begin with extracting the leftmost characters from a single string. Assuming your data is in column A, move to cell B2, and here you'll want to type in the formula equals left, open parenthesis, A2, comma, 2, close parenthesis. This will extract the first two characters from the text in cell A2. The left function is particularly useful when you know the specific number of characters you want from the beginning of a string. Now go ahead and hit the Enter key. You'll see the result appear instantly, giving you those first two characters. Now, let's move a step further. Perhaps you want to extract characters from the end of your string instead. To do this, click into cell C2 and type another formula, equals right, open parenthesis, A2, comma, 8, close parenthesis. The right function works similarly to the left function, but in this case, it grabs the last 8 characters of the string in cell A2. When you hit the Enter key again, voila, the substring of the last 8 characters will appear right there in C2. Finally, let's tackle an extraction from the middle of the text. For this, go over to cell D2 and input the formula, equals mid, open parenthesis, A2, comma, 5, comma, 11, close parenthesis. Here's how it works. The mid function allows you to specify not only how many characters you want, but precisely where to start and stop. So, from cell A2, it begins taking characters starting at position 5 and continuing for 11 characters. Once you've written out that formula, press the Enter key and watch as the specific substring appears. And that's really all there is to it. With these simple formulas, left, right, and mid, you can easily extract specific parts of text strings in Google Sheets. This can be useful for a myriad of tasks, including data cleaning, analysis, or simply keeping things organized. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit any sections as needed, and don't hesitate to explore additional features in Google Sheets that can further enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy spreadsheeting!